Just opened this chest freezer. It just came today morning, and well, that's yesterday morning. Didn't get a chance to open it. Now I just opened it, and I didn't see it on the delivery of time. The delivery guy was crazy anyway. And look at this damage here. Look at this box damage here. I just opened it and look what I find inside. Like it's damaged. It's damaged here. Here also another damage, another hole there as well, as you can see just there. So look, it's in my sitting room here. I just opened it and found the damage. I don't know what to do. The box came like this. Thank you. And the delivery driver was rubbish. He left it outside the door, outside the entrance. I had to force him to help me bring it up. He didn't even deliver it to my door. It was rubbish.
Okay, I received my freezer and it's okay. It's cold. It's doing everything it's supposed to do. But I noticed this place is dent. Noticed a dent there. It went in. So yeah, you can see it. But apart from that, everything else is okay. It's okay. It's fine. It's cold. It's okay.